לתת את העדות הנפלאה שלהם, לשיר מופע נהדר, אבל זה לא קרה מסיבות מסוימות.
And they say it didn't come true is because we don't have the right product. You are the right product. So they want to bring us back. Not even to do Christmas magic. He said, don't preach yet. Go and do vision. So that your name will be well. You know, as I sit and listen to this marketplace people, I couldn't believe what I hear. Because 10 years ago, I was telling them the same thing. And they look at me and with understand. I remember I sat with one of the top big boss of a big group here. Okay, I will not mention name. And I was just trying to sell this idea of, magic of love at that time. And I said, I want to do this. This is for the Lord. Is to take back entertainment. And this dear brother just said, if you do this show called Magic of Love, how many people will come to know Jesus Christ? I said, no. I don't even give an invitation. He's stepping into the arena and having, what you call 正能量, positive influence, there. Well, why do we do that? And then I said, well, this is a commercial show. Okay, commercial show, give me a business plan. How much are we going to make? So they can't even do that. But here's a group of businessmen who say, we want to see how to get you famous. And actually your product is very good. We just need to have someone who is